Hear that sound? That's the perfect cue for the razor I'm using. Rain. Beautiful on a rainy day. And talking of rain, as you know, there's a good cue then to the, to the Global Shave Club rain razor. And as soon as I seen that at a glance, I thought Black Beauty. But it's based on the Merkur 23C razor I don't have. But I guess there's probably videos out there using this, but I haven't watched them because it'll spoil the sort of thing if they say, oh, it's less or more aggressive. So I'm going to say, judging by the other razors, it's going to be slightly more aggressive than the 23C, I expect. So take a look with 3-piece non-adjustable. There's a good diamond knurling there, and there's a lined grip at the end. Can you see? So that's what it looks like. Good weight to it. Hollow handle. The razor blade, I'm going to use a brand new Personna Red in there for this shave. Big apologies in the last video, rushing that was, because me and Mrs H were heading out the door and I wanted to edit the video and have it render or export as we were out, you see. But I cut corners too quickly and I forgot to edit the music when like now started, so I'm very sorry about that. Very bad. Same thing with the rain, comes in a box like this. There's the model there, rain. I thought the perfect day to use it, and again comes a nice cloth, quite a size these, you know, so you can wrap it up in it or whatever, like a felt. Bowl, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use a special soap from North Wales, a Welsh soap from the hills of North Wales, Llangollen. And I met the lady Carol who makes this at the Llangollen Food Festival, which I've done a video on my other channel of. You may have seen it if you follow me on that, and it's that there. And the business is called Llanvalley, and this is a shaving soap, Mai Chang and black pepper. The scent is beautiful on it. Comes in a nice little tin. This is the soap, little block. She does different sizes. She's got a few different sort of scents as well, and she does natural products, and she keeps goats, as I say, on the hillside of Llangollen, and she uses the goat's milk to make the soap and the other products she does. I'll put a link in it to the website, worth a visit. It's a lovely lady as well, Carol. While I prep this, here's a little clip of me meeting her at the food festival in Llangollen. Welcome to another shaving video. I'm only joking. This lady here, Llanvalley Natural Products, I've actually used her shaving soap in one of my well, shaves about a couple of years ago, wasn't it?
It was,
and
yes.
You've seen the video, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't remember the soap, do you?
Yeah, it was
that one?
the bergamot.
Bergamot.
Yeah.
Is this bergamot?
I actually do another one now.
You do another one now?
Mai Chang and black pepper.
Oh, that's this one here, is it?
That's that one there.
So she does in these little tins, so you can take it on travel with you. And once you've opened the soap, you can seal it up again in the tin. Or you could use it as a lather bowl. A little brush as well. That's a ball brush. £2.50, it's a reasonable price there. So I'm going to choose one and then take it with me. So there we go. Just got the face. Lovely lady, nice to meet you, because I'm sure you'll be watching. And what I've done is I've just started to gather, and I've just put some, scraped some in the grooves in the bottom of that bowl. So that's how we get on. Did I ask you how your week's been? Because we're halfway through now. Halfway there. be it a good thing or a bad thing. That's a nice scent, mild scent. Feels nice on the skin. Go and have a sniff at that. Okay, heat the razor up. Let's see how we get on. Wonderful slickness. Now it doesn't look, as you'll see there, the thickest of lathers. It does dissipate a bit, but that's probably due to using good stuff. They're not tested on animals or nothing like that. But slickness is good. Now this razor is a nice aggression. Sort of a mid aggression, mild to mid, but as I say, I don't own a 23C. If you have a Merker, if you like a Merker, you'd like this probably. But saying that, I think I'd be right, and anybody that owns a 23C will probably confirm this, that it's probably slight. Oh, that's a nice slickness. Now it didn't look as thick, as I say, looked quite an airy lather, which it is, but it is slick. It does the job. Nice mild scent. So we'll gather some more. Beautiful. There's no irritation on the skin. Second pass. Llanvalley. Llangollen. Beautiful town. They have it's a town of music, very world famous. In the pavilion. That's where the food festival was held, in that pavilion. And a singer that came there was Pavarotti, and he loved it. There's a video on YouTube of Pavarotti arriving there. Forgot the name of it now. And you could hear him saying he likes the place, and he was singing. Second pass, no issues, very slick. I wish, because it doesn't probably look on camera. The lather is quite, as I said, airy, dissipatey, but I wish you could feel this. It's like a moisture cream on you. Really nice. So, third pass. This here is nice, doing the job. But as I say, I can't do a comparison to the 23C. But my guess is it is slightly more aggressive, or slightly, you know. Yeah. Here we go, against the growth. I've missed it was nice to go back to the multi-blade last week after all these years, and you realise how much you love this. But it did a good job. I did overshave though, because my neck was a bit wow, that feels nice. On here was a bit razor burned, and I haven't had that for many years. Halfway through it, I just remembered what I said. It's Sunday, not Wednesday. I bet there's people thinking, what the hell's this fella on? And the reason I just remembered then, because I was thinking of doing the dinner. How's a week gone? Halfway through it. Wow, very slick. Just drop a claret there. Anyway, you know what time it is now? Wet boy. 3, 2, 1. Pickup time, baby. Pickup time. Welcome. Did I say welcome to the Sunday shave? I can't remember what I said. I will have probably corrected myself with text in the edit. I will, so don't panic. I haven't lost my mind. Didn't have too many cold ones last night. You can never have too many, can you? Well, you can, but we don't admit to it. Good protection. I reckon on that slickness we could do probably a pass without any application of more soap. Yeah, so it's a mid-aggression. Feels very tight. It's a new razor, but it feels, all the ones I've had feel nice and solid, you know, the way they're built and things. There's nothing wrong at all. They're quite good. These are part of the eco, you know, the rain, the steam, the ice. There's another new one, I don't know if that's out yet, I won't say what that is. Part of the eco range that Global Shave are doing, and they're donating 5% of every sale of these to a environmental charity. That's good of them. So you'll see it on the website. Wow, that's smooth. Nice gentle scent. That's a nice scent there. I'm not sure what Mai Chang is, and black pepper, but a lovely scent. And that's it. Oh, I just know. There's a bit there. Oh, strange. There we go. Right, cold water rinse. We'll keep the face wet because we're having a visit from Alum. Yeah, I'm not gonna. There we go. The taste. Oh, blimey. Right. Rinse it off now. Are you up to much this weekend? You doing anything? Are you working? Many thanks for your service. Sunday dinner. Is a rack of lamb, roasted, with some rosemary on it, maybe a bit of thyme, and then steamed potatoes, carrots, broccoli and lashentos of gravy. And I've got some real ale from the Conwy brewery. It's a local brewery, so some Welsh ale brewed up there, and it's lovely. It'll complement the dish. Right, after that I'm gonna cover this lovely stuff. The genuine Floid, the genuine aftershave. Yeah, so I mucked up the music last week and I've mucked up the day. Because sometimes, you know, when you film these, because I do them every Wednesday, every Sunday, sometimes when I come in here and I'm thinking what I'm doing, where I'm thinking, so I'll call a Sunday a Wednesday. I've done it before. You know me. Or like Jill says, you're only human. Oh no, you are human then. I don't know about that. And there we go. We haven't used the old birch sap. Hydra sensitive soothing birch sap post shave balm, 0% alcohol. There we go. Good stuff. So nice razor, mid aggression, does the job, looks nice. As I say, when I first seen it at a glance, I thought, oh, black beauty. So many thanks, Sheldon. And I haven't forgot, I'm going to use your shave system soon as part of the shave. Okay, so what have we used? Well, we've used the Global Shave Club Rain razor, 3-piece, non-adjustable. There is overhang in it. Good grip, no issues with it. Mid aggression, used the Personna Red, brand new. That's a nice go-to blade for me. Still a bit of claret there. And did the job lovely. We've used Llanvalley soap, shaving soap. This is the Mai Chang and black pepper. Lathering, it lathers lovely. On the face, it does dissipate quite quickly. It may not look as good on camera to you. You might think, oh, it's not thick and creamy. So it does dissipate quite quickly. But the slickness and the scent is beautiful. So it does the job, even though it looks as if it's disappearing. There's still enough slickness to shave. It's just that it doesn't, the lather doesn't last. But there's good slickness there. So really pleased with that, and then I'll dry it now and it'll come in this tin, so I'll put it back in there for further use then. Then we've used the Paul H film, the Cashmere synthetic brush. We've used the Captain's Choice original shave bowl, Cobalt blue I think it is. Wet the face, cold water. We used Alum, Floid, the genuine, and some L'Oreal Men Expert Hydra sensitive birch sap. And before I go, I'd like to say a big congratulations to a chap in Portugal who's a viewer and very good on Facebook and things like that, to the Paul's Wetheads. Now Joa, or Yoa is your name, J-O-A-O. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. He has just run 110 miles today, I think it is Sunday. 110 miles, and then he's going to watch this video. So congratulations to you and to everybody that took a part in that. I'd be tired driving 110 miles, never mind running it. So congratulations and well done from I'm sure I speak on behalf of all the viewers. That's a mean feat. Wow. So from myself and Mrs H, congratulations and well done. So thanks for watching. On Wednesday, get the day right, I'm heading, we're having from Russia with love. I know you've probably seen other videos of it. It's a Russian razor, first one I've ever had, I think. And those that follow me and follow other channels will probably have seen it, and but we'll see what we think of that. It's very well packaged, it looks nice, so we'll speak about that on Wednesday. So yeah, thanks for your support, thanks for the chat, nice to see you, and see you on Wednesday for that midweek shave. It will be Wednesday then as well. Take care.